What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the madness. We've got another case of my serious ADHD coming in. I'm going to be learning the drums. So on top of the piano, which I've been, learning for the past six and a half months, I'm going to be starting the drums as well, because I guess I just want to be a one-man band at some point. Well, either way, so I'm going to be doing this, and I'm going to be unboxing and showing you the whole kit, how the setup process goes, and just my attempt at making it seem right. I'll be using Drumeo for learning, and a couple of other people that I know that drum. And I guess you'll see along the way how I do. But until then, we're just going to be doing the unboxing and the first impressions. So that's all you're going to get today. And that's really it. So let's get on with the show. Whew. So I have to unbox the boxes. So we'll do that right here. Kick drum. You get the little USB. This thing's actually pretty heavy duty. Nice like chrome looking on the sides. You can see everything. It's pretty nice. Now we got this symbol. Same thing. So you can see it's got the digital module pieces right here. So this is going to be really sweet. If you can see, I guess you can't really see too well, but they're nice. They're really cool. Let's see here. So this is the top portion of the hi-hat, bottom portion. Solid, like it feels well made. So you can see this is what that looks like. Bottom, we've got this, I don't know, it looks like a 30 pin or something like that right there. Let's see if it catches. Got that. And then on the back, you've got this. So you can see DC in, power on off, MIDI. And we've got digital triggers right here. We got the foot switches. We got 3 auxes and a crash. You've got mic or mix in. You've got direct outs, 1 and 2, and you've got master outs, right, left, mono, and you got headphones. And then you got a lock button, and then over here, you've got the SD card, and you've got USB to computer. So that's what this is all about. And then once again, you got the front. I'll put it on auto, hopefully it catches that good. Ooh, looks pretty damn shiny. Alright, so right now I'm just kind of unboxing a bunch of other stuff regarding the frame itself. So you can see me, oh, there's a sub sandwich. At least that's what it looks like. No, it's a hi-hat stand. But, there's just a lot of things going on here. I'm trying to preserve the boxing the best I can and not damage anything too badly. As you can see, there's an obscene amount of boxes. I mean, I filled up that entire area that you can see to the right. Eventually I have to clean that out, or else my wife will kick my ass, but yeah, either way, she's gonna kick my ass either way. This drum set was definitely not in my budget for now, but I'm too much of a child to, hold my finances above this. So here's some more of the frame. You can see it's not too shabby. It's actually pretty nice quality. And now I'm gonna put it all together. So right now the stand is just getting put together, all the different pieces. The instructions are relatively easy to follow. It took me a total of like, I don't know, 20-25 minutes to put this thing together. Everything was really self-explanatory along the way, you know. But, you know, the pieces are different enough where you should probably look at the directions or else you'll end up in a problem. You'll set yourself up like a lefty. So the other camera died, and now I'm just sitting here with my goddamn other camera because I had no more footage time. So you can see from this side, you know, everything's getting put together pretty quickly. I slapped all the acoustic treatment on the walls nowadays, so I can have everything set up pretty nice. But cymbal stands going up in there, cymbal booms, I mean. And now you get a little bit of a different angle. Snare drum put together. Now I get to slap the drum module mount to the back of that with those wing nuts. And then don't mind my ass crack because it's hanging out, and I'm sweating my ass off because I'm carrying things all over the place. But and you'll see me put together the toms here in a second. There they are, mounting those nice and good. Sooner or later you're gonna end up seeing my dog come in, and then he's gonna try to puke in the room, so my wife comes in to try to save me. Oh, ass crack again. Good luck with that one. All right, let's get this thing going. All right, so I have just finally finished assembling everything about the drum kit aside from the kick pedal, because that didn't show up in the mail today, along with my drumsticks. So I'm not really gonna play too much, but either way, so I'll just kind of, you know, take my camera and show you everything around it. All right, let's show you what I've got here. So here is the cymbal, the hi-hat. It's pretty goddamn cool. You can, if you press on the pedal, they kind of go together. It's not fully set up yet. Got those things still sitting there, but you know, comes down here. This is the hi-hat stand made by Roland. It's pretty well put together. It's nice and sturdy, and that's about it for the hi-hat. But this is the snare. It's a digital snare. It's everything is really goddamn nice. Underneath it is where all the bits and pieces go. So you can see up in here, this is the USB that goes up to the module here. But then the snare stand is also Roland. I just kind of kept everything the same brand. And then everything is all pretty double barred and everything like that, and got some cables there, cable holders. I haven't done all the cable management yet, but overall the stand itself is quite sturdy. Here is the drum module again. You can see in the back all of the different things, you know, looks pretty good. And toms, they're all nice mesh heads. You can feel, like when you feel them, they feel a lot better than they look. Here's the snare. Once again, all these things kind of connect to the drum module if you've never seen one before. This is the digital ride. You got the cable here again, and then all the toms are all mesh heads. And you have like really nice bounce. But then down here, finally, last but not least, you've got the kick drum, or the kick pad, and that is pretty nice too, because you know it has a nice mesh head as well, and it bounces nice too. So, and then when you turn it on, this is my first time turning it on, so this is what it looks like when you first turn it on. Okay, great. I'll just say 4 hours. And then, okay. I'm not sure what that is. Click. I'm not sure what that is. Enter. Okay. So that's what's going on here. Enter. Let's see, exit. So now when I go and you know, attach some headphones, it's gonna end up giving me some, you know, some drum sounds. You know, of course I don't have drumsticks, so it's not gonna sound as good as it could, but I can test it out with my finger. And that's probably what I'm gonna do. I hope you got something out of this. Everything looks super high quality, feels super high quality, and you know, I'm gonna enjoy really learning on this thing. So I hope that, you know, if you're interested in this thing, I mean, take a look into it. It's a lot of money, but the technology is it's not improved among the higher end kits that Roland makes. So all the technology that you get on this one is on the $8,000 and $9,000 kits as well. So that's pretty nice. So you don't have to worry about upgrade later on. So, well, until they come out with the new technology, but this is pretty upgrade proof for a while. All right, I'll catch you guys later. Ciao.